So we're here at another Magnum installation, and this is a really good time for me to be able to show you what the electrical work on the AC side looks like in case you're thinking about buying one of these and doing the electrical work yourself. We get a lot of customers that do their own electrical work. That's legal in the state of Georgia as long as you do it to code. And so this customer, you can see he had his two sub panels. He kind of had a split 200 amp service, and then here is his sub panel. So you can see the spaces and what he did. He moved the circuits that were in the regular panel into this new dedicated load sub panel that he has mounted that the Magnum is serving. So now this is just like a generator sub panel, very similar to the way it goes in, except the transfer switch, the automatic transfer switch, is inside the Magnum. So you don't have to get the big automatic transfer switch. We're actually feeding this thing with a generator as well. So the power from the grid, or the AC charging sources, are coming from this double pole 30 amp breaker in the grid, going into one side of this transfer switch, and then into the other side of the transfer switch we've got a generator plug outside, so he can select where he wants to feed power in and out of the sub panel. So if he gets low and the solar's not cutting it, he could go down into the generator mode and turn the generator on to charge up the battery and power this panel from the generator. He can also, this thing will automatically disconnect from the battery and start using grid power to power this panel and charge up the battery if the solar's not cutting it. So, you know, he's got an inverter charger, he's got triple redundancy as far as power inputs to his dedicated panel. He can put power in here from the grid, from the generator, or from the solar. And he's also generator ready, so, you know, if he ever wants to take this off and sell this house, he's already got a generator sub panel and a place where you can plug a generator in. So it's value added. It's off-grid solar. It's not grid tied, but it's still got the functions in the Magnum that enable it to shed load when the batteries are fully charged. And then we got our standard way we do our battery box. And you know,
You better believe she's going to bring down that power when the grid goes down.